to find Roblox gift card code on Amazon. So for example, let's say that you have purchased a Roblox gift card here from Amazon. So you just clicked it like this, add to cart, and then you've purchased it. But where is the code so you can redeem it on Roblox? What you have to do is actually open up your email after you have purchased the Roblox gift card. And once you have opened the email associated with this purchase, you will have a little section that says pin. So it's gonna say pin and some numbers. You basically want to copy those numbers, and then you will load up your Roblox. Click on here, then we'll go into gift cards, and then we'll select redeem gift card, and you will paste your code right here. So that's basically how you do it. All you have to do is open up the email associated with your Roblox gift card purchase, which is from Amazon. You want to search for the pin section like this, and it's going to have some numbers, and copy those numbers and then paste it here in the code and redeem. I hope this was informative. Leave a like and sub, and I'll see you next time.